Good luck.
Naku, kitang-kitang kulay mo pagsapit niya.
Uy.
Nakaulo ko po yung subago.
Tandaan mo, 15 seconds lang to cut each wire. If you're ready, Mika. And cut it.
Ano-anong grupo ang binubuo ng magkakapatid? Orange, the horse.
3, 2, 1. Your answer is correct.
The horse.
Ayan, sinubo nila Andrea, Sharon, Caroline, and Jim.
Okay.
Famous song. Saan ang mga famous song?
Runaway tsaka
Di ba
Breathless.
may kinakanta kang kanta nila? Pag...
Wala ah. Huwag na yun.
Ah, wala ka. Sorry. Wala. Wala ka po. Wala.
Wala.
Run away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Run away.
With you, yeah.
Yun ang the horse.
Yun. Of course.
Pangalawang sagot, Mika. Ready? 15 seconds.
Eto na.
And cut it.
Yellow, the carpenters. Ay!
3.
The Carpenters.
Your answer is correct.
Ayan, sila Karen and Richard Carpenter.
Alam mo na sikat na kanta niya.
Top of the world. Bossing sa akin.
Ayan na.
Uy.
Is ever something new around?
May letra.
Dalawa na lang.
Yes po.
Mika. Cut it.
Diyan ka na sasabog.
Blue, DGs.
3, 2, 1. Your answer is correct.
Yun ah. Saan lang?
Bee Gees, sila Barry, Robin, and Maurice.
Deep is your love pala kanila tsaka stay na lang.
Stay alive.
Hindi mo kasama si John Oro.
Hindi po. Sila yung late. Yung pirated na yun. Lalo deep. Na iba pong anak ko pa.
Hoy, isa na lang ang natitira ay Aerosmith and the Muppets. Sino dyan ang magkakapatid for 40,000? Mika, cut it!
Green, the most fun.
3, 2, 1. Your answer is correct.